Hello everyone, I'd like to share with you a little activity that I have created at home. So this is rice that I have dyed red, yellow and blue, but you can use any colours you like. I simply mixed them up together in a little bag and then spread them out over baking paper so that they could dry. And once they were all dry, then I put them all together and made this lovely vibrant mix. So what I would do now is I've added it to a kitty litter tray, a clean one I must say, and then I add words to it so that we can have a go at writing the words. And you can see here that it leaves the word written in, but you'll find that if it's too thick that it won't work. So I've used this tray for lots of other activities as well. So we've done sight words, we've also done things where we've looked for, like we played a memory game, so looking at the animals that are in here and maybe identifying the animals. Can you find an animal with long ears? So looking around, which one of them has long ears? Oh, there he is.